Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text on links. So let's get started. So as of right now, you can see that I have here a page and this one doesn't have a text. So if I want to have a text, there are two methods. So you can click on this plus icon right here, which is the add elements button. So click on that. And then you should be able to see in here an option for text. So here's option for text right here. Can what theme text, titles, paragraphs, or anything like this. So for the paragraphs right here, I will just choose this paragraph since as you can see other sample of the stages paragraph. So I can click on the paragraph that I want and I will just drag that into this. So once I have dragged that, I just need to position it however I want it to be. So I will position that just like this. And then in order to edit it, just click on edit text. So let's try to edit this text right here. And then from in there, you can see this text settings. And then you can see everything right here. So what we can do is we can click on this one or remove this. And then just input what we want. So this is what it looks like, and you can actually just resize it on what you want it to be. So let's just resize it like this in order to be the same as the other things on this one. So this is what it looks like right now. So that is what you can do in order to add text from scratch. Another method that you can do is you can actually just click on the text that is mirrored, then copy it by clicking the Control-C, and then head over to your page that you want to add it and click on Control-V. Then as you can see, it will be added and you can just put this right here, depending on what you want it to be. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add text and pics. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below. If you have found this video helpful, follow us if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.